Hi, Marianav here, and today I will talk about the mistakes that most couples make. We know that marriage is not simple, but it's not difficult to have a happy marriage. And I can say yes, I know many people who they are afraid or they are not confident even to think of getting married. Because nobody can tell you if you are going to last forever or not. But I can tell you common mistakes most of couples are doing, and the relation might fall apart. When you get married, you are looking to be a happy couple. But soon after, you are planning on getting married, having children, and everything is perfect to grow a big family. But do you have a common goals, dreams, agreement, commitments? In a few seconds, I will let you know the common mistakes most of couples do, so you should consider not to. Mistake you should avoid during your marriage. If you want to get more information on more subjects about the relationship or different subjects, then press the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I post something new. Everyone makes mistakes, and I'm not saying you shouldn't, but when you're a married couple and you don't control your behavior and keep repeating the same mistake for a long time, then the relationship will suffer and might break apart. If you want to have a long-lasting couple relation and be happy together, just listen and see if you find some of the mistakes in your behavior, because never is too late. You can always change things for better. So these are the mistakes you have to avoid in your marriage. Don't bring up problems from the past. Maintain intimacy in the relation. Don't allow others to get in the relation, give you idea, opinion, or decide on your behalf. Don't expect your partner to read your mind. Don't take responsibilities by yourself. Don't avoid talking about intimacy and sex with your partner. Don't try fighting to win. Don't bring a child into a troubled marriage. If you feel you have some issue, don't try to bring a child during that time. Don't avoid being open about finance with your partner. Don't neglect your partner or problems that needs to be solved at that moment. Don't decide without asking your partner. In a couple, you are the two of you, so don't decide by your own and forget your partner. You want to be united couple, then both of you have to decide and make plans and take a decision. Don't take advantage of your partner. Don't take everything for granted. That will put the relation apart. Nowhere it says that mother or father has more responsibilities on raising children, on house, on expenses, on laundries, or nowhere. But if you want to have a happy marriage, you have to help each other on everything. Learn to give time to children, but don't neglect your partner. Both partners should contribute equally to all responsibilities and time spending together as a couple. Don't give more time looking after children or prioritize the children or give more time to your job and you neglect your partner. That will put the relation into distance. It's going to get a breach into a couple. Make a good balance in everything you do, and both of you should have a talk and solve any issue you think is going into a wrong direction. That's how you can keep the couple relation at love and in a good balance. When you have a good conversation and any problem is coming, you have to solve it at that moment. Make a good balance in everything. If you like this subject and you found it helpful or valuable, don't forget to give thumbs up or subscribe or share to more content like this one. If you have any question, don't forget to drop them below on the comments bar. And if you need more help or advice, you can reach me via email. You want to have a happy relation, so learn to build everything together. Both partners should contribute equally to grow the relationship. No one said that one should do more than the other. Love is to respect your partner and care for each other. There are few words which you have to use, like please, thank you, I love you. All we know, these are magical words, and especially when you said sincerely and consciously. Use these words every time you think it's needed. Thank you for being with me till the end of my broadcast. I wait you here with more subjects, very interesting subjects. Till then, don't forget, I love you with my heart and I hug you with my soul. Bye.